Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So coming to this video, let us learn some phrasal verbs today. So before going into this topic, let us know why it is important to learn phrasal verbs to converse in English. The main reason is we feel more confident and comfortable while speaking in English. So we will adapt the language when we use these phrasal verbs. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Before that, we need to know what is a phrase. So see these two examples. Do you find any difference? The first one and the second example? Yes, the first one which started with a capital letter and ended with a full stop. And it is a group of words which has given a complete meaning, right? But the second one which has given an incomplete meaning. I'll not confuse you, I'll explain it more. So right now, the first one you can say is, the cat is sitting on the wall. The cat is sitting on the wall. So it started with the capital letter, ended with the full stop. It is the main rule for a sentence. But here one more point is there. That is, it should give a complete meaning. The cat is sitting on the wall. Who is sitting on the wall? Cat. Where is the cat sitting? On the wall. So it is giving a complete meaning. But coming to the next one, under the bed. So coming to the second example, something is under the bed, but who is under the bed? We don't know. So the information is not given. So that is known as a phrase, which has an incomplete meaning, but itself has some meaning. That means someone is under the bed or something is under the bed, but who is that? We don't know. So that is a phrase, which will not have a rule like a sentence starting with a capital letter or else ends with a full stop there. So it's just a group of words which gives an incomplete meaning but itself has a meaning. So that is a phrase. So let us see few examples of phrases. Inside the closet. Who is inside the closet? What is inside the closet? The information is not given. Across the bridge. On the wall. So these all are phrases. Coming to the phrasal verbs. A verb is combined with a preposition or else adverb. In some cases, both can be added to the verb. So that is known as phrasal verbs. Every phrasal verb has a different meaning depending on its context. So coming to the first one is break off. So here when we stop doing something, especially while speaking, or to end a relationship or else to detach something, in that situations we use it. For example, when we stop all of the sudden, that means she broke off the conversation. Second one, to end a relationship. They broke off their partnership. Third one is to detach something. You need to break off a few squares of chocolate. Of course, you can use break into pieces also here. Next one is get through. That means to manage to come out from a difficult situation. For example, it took me years to get through this passport issue. Couldn't get through is a different meaning. That means unable to talk to someone through phone. For example, I keep trying to get through the customer care, but the number is busy. Next is knockout. That means to make someone unconscious or else defeat a player or team in the competition. I think we all know like knockout in boxing. So another meaning is that to destroy something. So coming to the examples, New Zealand had been knocked out of the World Cup by Australia. Next one is set out. That means to start a journey or else arrange things in a systematic order or position. For example, we set out from India on Monday for England. Next one is she set out all the dinner sets on the dining table. That means she arranged everything perfectly. Next one is move on. That means to leave or else to start something new. For example, if we are in a queue and the person in front of us is not going, that means he stopped all of the sudden. That time we can say, excuse me sir, can you please move on? And the another example is, I am unable to move on from my past relationship. Next one is come up. That means to happen something suddenly, that too unexpected ones. Another meaning is it may happen in future. For example, I need to go now, something has come up. Another example is, you must know if any openings come up in this week. Along with these phrasal verbs, do check the video on idioms, which will be helpful for you in your daily conversation. So, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Please leave your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you for watching.